Do you want to learn how I created this masterpiece? I was watering my favorite plant, the one with those huge, beautiful leaves, when suddenly, one of the leaves broke off. I felt so sad. It was such a gorgeous leaf, and just like that, it was gone. But then, an idea hit me. What if I could preserve it forever? I grabbed some plaster of Paris, spread a thick layer gently over the leaf, making sure every tiny vein and detail was captured. When I finally peeled the leaf away, I couldn't believe my eyes. The plaster had perfectly captured every intricate line, every curve. It was like holding a fossil of something still alive. But I wasn't done yet. I picked up my paints and carefully brought it back to life, matching the rich greens of the original leaf. And when I stepped back, wow! What started as an accident turned into one of the most beautiful things I've ever made. It's now a permanent piece of art, a little piece of nature frozen in time. Sometimes, mistakes lead to the most unexpected creations. This broken leaf could have been trash, but instead, it's now something I'll cherish forever. Has anything like this ever happened to you? Where a mistake turned into something wonderful? Let me know, I'd love to hear your stories.